Hi! So, what I will be doing for this video, I just want to reminisce back on what have I done for the past month. Work related muna, since I don't think I am ready to show you my journal related to my personal life, but I will be making a video of it soon. So for my work planner, so this is my overall schedule for the whole month of January. So I have written here all of the things or all of the meetings that I had attended over the month, and including the thing, my fieldwork. So I can see better on where I am and what I do for the day. Yeah. So as you can see, we had a lot of meetings for the month of January, yes, because it's the month of planning. So, syempre, medyo marami talaga. And then, for this part, medyo nagkamadali na ako na to since I do this mga January na, mga first week ng January, ganun, before January 5. So, I wrote down here all of my to-do list, the deadlines. I did not include the monthly reports na kasi those are givens na already. So, what I wrote down here are the deadlines or the special cases ng mga reports na kailangan ko masubmit for the month of January. And since most of these reports are PVP related or kung hindi namin masasubmit, it will make me lose my bonus check. Yan, so I just added some papers here, so some scraps from my journaling. And so supposedly this is my reminder, pero hindi ko na siya masyadong nagamit for the January since I'm using now an online platform to do that. I tried to paint here, but as you can see, it did not work out. So, kasi medyo magugulo sa likod. So, hindi ko siya pinag. So, we will now look back for the days of January. Ayan, so as you can see here, medyo bilisan ko na kasi ang haba ko mag-explain dahil, Diyos ko. Aabutin ng 40 minutes yung video. And so, in-explain ko lang dito yung mga different colors ng mga marker pens na ginamit ko para mas madali ko ma-identify yung mga type of meetings or events na inattendan ko for the day. Yan, in-explain ko lang din dyan yung mga kung ano yung mga nangyari for the whole month, ano yung mga ginawa ko. So, for this page, ayan, nagawa ko na yung parang pinaka-cover page for the month of February. So, medyo nararush na ako kasi February 1 na hindi ko pa siya gawa. Ayan, so medyo basta bara-bara na lang. Ayan, trial and error. Or nakita ang pangit, ayan, papalitan siya. Ayan. So, for February, isipan ko gamitin yung theme as Valentine. So, ginamit ako ng mga maraming color shade of red and pinks. Ayan. And then later on, mag-a-add tayo ng mga ilang elements of Valentine. Ayan, like hearts. Then, hearts pa more. Kasi wala naman tayong heart. Huwag na kayo mag-expect bakit hindi maganda yung heart. Kasi wala namang heart, yung nag-drawing ng heart. Ayan, so ito yung pagsisisihan ko later on. Sana hindi ko siya nakita. Sana hindi ko siya ginamit. So I will be using the usual to-do list para sa my future to-do list ng February. Yan. Takpan natin yung medyo pangit doon kasi medyo di ako nagandahan. Then we'll be using a set of stickers. Since hindi naman tayo marunong mag-drawing. Hindi, wala lang sa mood mag-drawing. And may stickers naman, so bakit hindi natin gamitin? So, tingin-tingin pa tayo ng magaganda dyan. Ayan. Note to myself, stay curious. No matter what happened, just be curious. Since nakita ko yung alphabetical stamp. Naisip ko, ba't hindi natin gamitin? And let me wrote something for myself. And love yourself more than anything else. Selfish. There's nothing wrong with loving yourself first. Ayan, so ito yung kakabili ko lang. Na Diyos ko. Hindi ko alam kung matutuwa ako o hindi. Hindi siya pre-cut na sticker, so you need to cut it yourself. And ang hirap alisin nung film para ma-edit mo siya. Pero maraming na siya magandang design, so it's okay na din. Ayun, ito naiirita na ako dyan. Itinape ko na lang kahit na. Because matagal yung film. Ayan na, disaster! Oh my gosh!
No, that talaga ginamit.
Ay, Diyos ko.
Patay pa yung iba.
Bumakat pala yung mga heart na yun. Okay pa sana yung iba eh. Mas nakikita lang yung sa mga heart. So medyo it will ruin lang yung mga isusulat ko dyan sa harap. Kaya tayo magagawa, lesson learned. So let's start to plan my first week of February. So susulat ko lang muna yung mga naiisip ko ng task na kailangan kong gawin, especially tomorrow. And then yung mga ilang pan-task na pwede kong gawin din for the first week or kailangan kong gawin for the first week of February. So tinitignan ko lang dyan yung aking list of task na nailagay ko na sa aking online tracker. And scribble. So bibilisan na natin. Ayan, as you can see here, nag-leave ako ng blank space dun sa gitna ng Monday. Since baka biglang magkaroon ng mga hindi natin inaasahan na mga Zoom meetings. Ayan, or mga biglaang face-to-face meetings. So I need to leave a space para magkaroon ako ng ample space para maisulat yun ko sa kanina. But I will fill that up kung meron mga ilang tasks din na kailangan pang gawin. So, yung mga i-refer ng boss tomorrow. So, for now, I think that pretty sum it up. Hindi ko pa masi-filled up pa yung ilang days. Pero nag-iisip pa naman din ako dyan kung ano pa yung mga sa tingin ko is kailangan kong gawin for the first week. Ayan. Later on, mapi-filled up din yan kasi may mga instructions, mga emails na matatanggap, mga utos, mabiglaan. Pero I think for my tracker, this is all the tasks na pinaka-important na magawa ko for the first week. So hindi ko pa kasi tapos yung tracker. But I think that's it for now. Thank you!